How to install a air filter. So this is the air filter box. It's the metal thing that goes in to the center here. So let's put you down and I'll show you how to do it. So it's that first. So first thing, you get the quick button here. Then what you do, you put some oil on it on both sides. Then what you do, put the air filter in here like that. Then you put this bit in here like that. Then you put this bit in here. There we are, it's done. Then once you've done that, then you put it fast and slow, then you put it on here, then screw it up. It's got the bolt in now, screw. Anyway, please comment on this video, how good this video was, or not, good or bad. Anyway, thanks for watching, bye.